Hello, Stephanie here with Truedoor Property Management. Today we've got some important information. I'm going to talk to you about our maintenance hotline and how we handle maintenance requests. One of the perks of working with our company is that we offer 24-hour maintenance hotline. Each time a maintenance request is generated in our system, you can keep track of all the work orders through our online portal. It's our one-stop shop to monitor the progress of any maintenance requests. When it comes to repairs, we've got you covered. For necessary repairs that fall under a $500 maintenance limit, we automatically move forward to fix the issue. You'll receive a courtesy email to let you know that the repair is being scheduled. And of course, if you ever have any questions about a scheduled repair, feel free to give us a call. But what happens when this repair is over $500? Well, for those types of repairs, we need your approval, except for emergencies. Non-emergency requests that are after hours will be addressed the next business day. We'll always keep you in the loop when it comes to bigger repairs, ensuring transparency throughout the process. Speaking of emergencies, there are certain situations where we have to act swiftly. In the state of California, there are habitability laws that require landlords to maintain rentals in habitable condition. This means things like heat, water, sewage, electricity, necessary appliances, and safety and security issues require immediate attention. Our maintenance system is designed to address emergencies immediately, even outside of business hours. Lastly, let's talk about essential versus non-essential maintenance requests. As successful property owners, it's crucial to address items that affect the usability of the property. If your property was leased with specific appliances or amenities, they must remain in operable condition throughout the term of the lease. Non-essential items would be something considered like, for example, I don't like the color of this bedroom, or can you put different curtains, things of that nature. Those are considered non-essentials. We don't require our property owners to use our maintenance company. However, the nice thing about our maintenance company is that we control the schedule, and you'll see that our pricing is very competitive with the marketplace. And beyond that, if it's not done correctly, we'll make it right. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, this is Stephanie with Truedoor Property Management, making you more money with less drama.